In this video, I'll show you how to use the mapping tools in ProAlign. The first set of tools on the mapping toolbar are the selection tools. I need to choose a selection tool. The first one is a rectangle select. I choose the selection tool and my selection methods appear. I can create a new selection, add to a selection, or remove from a selection. By default, the new selection option is active. To use the selection tool, I click and drag a box on the map. All points within the box will turn a teal color to indicate they are selected. The selection methods allow me to refine the selection. I can choose Add to Selection and select points to add to my existing selection. Or I can choose Remove from Selection and select points to remove from that selection. The Circle Select tool allows me to select all points within a radius that I define by clicking and dragging on the map to expand the radius. The Polygon Select tool, also known as Freehand Draw, allows me to draw a border of any shape around any points that I want to select. I can use the Clear Selection button to remove any selection on the map. If I have a selection tool active, I can hover over any of my customers on the map and see detailed information for each one. This feature is also available for zip code data. There are multiple tools that allow you to move around the map efficiently. You have two zoom tools, one that zooms in based on an area you define, and one that zooms out based on an area you define. I can also move around the map by using the Zoom to Previous View and the Zoom to Next Map View buttons. I can click the Pan tool and click and drag the map to quickly view another area. The zoom slider appears when I click the Toggle Zoom Slider button. I can make it disappear by clicking the button again. I can drag to zoom in or out on the zoom slider bar. Use the Set Target button to define your target territory. Click the button and then click a territory on the map. That territory will then show in the grid as the target territory. Now, any customers I select on the map will be summarized in this target territory. Once I have made my selection, I then click the Assign Selection to Target button from the toolbar and the accounts are reassigned. The options for printing my map appear if I click the Print button. This functionality will be addressed in another video. I can adjust the transparency of the background layers, for instance, county boundaries, rivers, highways, using the transparency slider. In the lower left-hand corner of the map window, there are pause and reload buttons to control the map refresh and drawing.